Let's go to page 416 and start with number 6. Okay, you have 6ab to the 4th power over 3a3 b to the 3. Okay, so for this, what you need to do is go and simplify and reduce. And so go and do the number first. So 3 and 6 and divide by 3. A and a cubed can cancel, you got a squared. B to the 4th cancel with b3, so you get b. And so you're going to end up with 2b over a squared. Okay, and that's it. Okay, let's go to number 8. Okay, you have 3 minus 6n over 3. Do not cancel out terms. So what you need to do is go and factor out the top. So factor out the 3, you get 1 minus 2n over 3. Then now this becomes factors, so you can cancel out. So this will equal to 1 minus 2n. Okay, number 10. You have x minus 5 over x squared minus 3x minus 10. So whenever you see addition, subtraction, those are terms. So for terms, you need to do factoring before you can cancel. So on the bottom, so you can go and factor, use your master product. So you're going to get 2 comma negative 5. Okay, and so you're going to get x plus 2, x minus 5. And normally, this is your clue. Normally, you will have one of the same factors, so you can cancel. So when you have the terms, you have to cancel the whole thing. So this cancel with that. So you're going to have 1 over x plus 2. Okay, let's go to number 12. You have 42 x to the 4, y to the 5, over 35 x to the 8, y to the 2. So again, when you're doing the cancellation, cancel the number, then you go down the alphabet and the group. So this you can divide by 7, so you get 5 and 6. This one you can cancel, so you get x to the 4. This one you can cancel, you get y to the 3. So this will give you 6y to the 3 over 5x to the 4. Okay, number 14, you got 8 over k plus 2 over k. So whenever you're going to add fractions, first thing you need to check is make sure you have a common denominator. So in this case, yes, it's a common denominator, so you can go and add. So this would be just 10 over k. Okay, number 16, you have 4m over 2m minus 3 minus 2m plus 3 over 2m minus 3. So again, first check, make sure you have a common denominator. So yes, so you can go ahead and write your denominator. Now you can go ahead and combine the top. So you're going to have 4m. Now when you have subtraction, you want to do one more step by changing the sign. So you have to distribute the sign over, so it becomes minus 2m. And this is what a lot of people will forget. Okay, so make sure distribute to become minus 3. So this will become, so you can combine the like terms, so this becomes 2m minus 3 over 2m minus 3. And since they are the same, you can cancel out. When you cancel, it means you're dividing. So dividing, you get 1. Okay, so answer will equal to 1. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, number 18, you have 21x to the 3 over 4y squared. Okay, now you have division, so don't waste your time copying the form. Just go ahead and change into multiplication and flip the fraction upside down. Okay, so you can do that right away. Then after that, you can go and start to cancel. Okay, so do the number first. So 21 and 7, when you cancel, this becomes 3, and that's a negative 1. And 4 and 8, this becomes 2, this becomes 1. Now you go down the alphabet, so x and x3, this becomes x squared. Then y squared and y to the 4, this becomes y to the 2. Okay. Then after that, now the bottom got all cancel out, so that's a negative, so you can just go and put a negative on top already. So it become negative, there's a 2, there's a 3, so it will be negative 6. Then the alphabet, so you can do the sign, the number, then the alphabet will be x squared, y squared. Okay, and that's it. Okay, number 20. Yeah, y minus 3 over 2 minus y plus 4 over 3. Okay, so first thing you need to check is common denominator when you add or subtract. So this one, you don't have a common denominator. So first you have to do is step 1, you have to get your LCD. So LCD 2 and 3 would be equal to 6. Okay, so you have to get your fraction ready. So step 2, you want to get your common denominator ready. Then step 3, you figure what you need to multiply. So from 2 to 6, you need to multiply by 3. Okay, so 2 times 3 gives you 6. So you have to do the same on the top. So you're going to get, so step 4, this will give you 3y minus 9. Over here, you need to multiply by 2. So this give you 3y plus 12. Then after that, you can combine this together, get your common denominator. And when you have subtraction, you can do one more step by changing the sign over here. So you got 3y minus 9, so it'd be minus 3y minus 12. Okay, so watch this one over here. Okay, and after that, combine the like terms. This cancel out. This one and this one will give you negative 15. And this is 2y. So this will give you y minus 15. Wait, double check. This is an 8. Okay, and this with minus 17. So it'll be y minus 17 over 6. Okay. Okay, let's go to the next one. We have k plus 3 over k minus 2 minus k plus 2, k minus 3. Okay, so again, don't worry about the top. You look at the denominator first. So you need to get common denominator. So step 1, your LCD would be, so you need to get both of these. So you need to get k minus 2 and k minus 3. So that would be your common denominator. So get your common denominator ready. So step 2. So you're going to get k minus 2, k minus 3, k minus 2, k minus 3. So you can get your common denominator ready before you do anything on here. Okay, now you go to the top. So from here to here, you need to multiply by k minus 3. So when you multiply, so this will give you that. So on the top, you need to multiply out. So these are conjugates. So when you multiply, you're going to get k squared minus 9. This one over here, from here to here, you're missing k minus 2. So multiply by k minus 2. So again, on the top, you're going to get conjugates. So you're going to get k squared minus 4. Okay. So then after that, you can go and, after you get common denominator, you can combine them. So you got k minus 2, k minus 3. But on the top, again, watch the subtraction. You have to distribute. So you're going to get k squared minus 9. So this would be minus k squared plus 4. Okay. Then after that, combine the like terms. So you're going to get negative 5 over k minus 2, k minus 3. Okay, double check. Let's go to the next one. Okay, you got 4z squared over z minus 5, and you have division, so make into multiplication and flip the fraction upside down. Okay, now before you start to cancel things out, go and do the factoring because the terms, you cannot cancel the terms. So you need to do one more step. So this one you have to factor out the 2. Okay, so now you can go and cancel. And when you cancel things out, you go ahead and do the number first. There's no number to cancel. Then you go down the alphabet. So z and the z square, you get z. And then go down the group. So you can sign, number, alphabet, and the group. This cancel out. So you're going to get 8z. And that's it. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, you have 5x minus 20 over 3 x cubed plus 24x squared plus 48x minus x plus 4 over 5x squared minus 80. Okay, so first you need to find common denominator. So to find common denominator, you need to go and factor these. So you can go off to the side and do the factoring so you don't clog up your major steps. Okay, so 3x cubed plus 24x squared plus 48x. So first you can factor out the 3 and the x. So it becomes x squared plus ax plus 16. And this is your perfect square, so it'll be 3x. This will be x plus 4 squared. Double check. Yep. Now do not factor the top, because you're not doing a cancellation. Okay, you're doing a subtraction, so do not factor. Okay, you only do that if it's a multiplication. You factor so you can cancel. Okay, but this one, you subtracting the fractions. Okay, now this one over here, you have the 5x squared minus 80. So first factor out the 5, and then from here, you're going to get the conjugate. Okay. So from here you're going to get 5, x plus 4, x plus 5. Okay, so from here your LCD is going to be, the number would be 3 and 5 would be 15. So number, then alphabet would be x, and the group. So you're going to get the x plus 5, the 1 power, and then from here you got the 1 power and 2 powers, so you have to take the higher one. So it'd be x plus 4 squared. Okay, so that's your LCD. Okay. So now you can go ahead and get your denominator ready. So you're going to get 15x, x plus 5, x plus 4 squared. Doing the same thing over here. Okay, so now we can compare this with this and see what you need to multiply. So you can just go down the list. So go down the number, alphabet, and the group. So from here you need to multiply by 5. The alphabet is good. The group is, you're missing the x plus 5. Okay. Okay. So now you have to multiply all this together. So you can go off to the side. So let's go ahead and multiply this first. So you're going to get 5x minus 20 times 5x plus 25. Okay, so you can use your Fourier method. So this will give you 25x squared plus 125x minus 100x minus 500. Okay, so let's put up here. So I combine the like terms. So you're going to get 25x squared plus 25x minus 500. Double check, okay? Then after that, let's go and do this one over here. So from here to here, you need to multiply by 3 and the x, and then from here, you're missing the x plus 4. Okay, so when you have to multiply this, so you're going to get x minus 4. You have to times by 3x and x plus 4. Now this one is easy if you multiply the conjugate first. So when you multiply conjugate, you're going to get x squared minus 16. So when you multiply, you're going to get 3x cubed and minus 48x. So you're going to get 3x cubed minus 48x. Oh. Okay, wait. Now this is minus 4. So this one is missing. This is a conjugate. So be minus 4. So from here to here, you're missing this would be minus 4. Okay, we need to back up. Okay, let's go and redo this one. Okay, page 416, number 26. You got 5x minus 20. Okay, so I'm just copy this over. Okay, so you got 5x minus 20, and this one you get 3x, x plus 4 squared. This one, you're going to get 5, and x plus 4, x minus 4. There you go. Okay, so your LCD would be 15x and x minus 4 and x plus 4 squared. Okay, so that's the LCD. Okay, so let's go and get the LCD first. So you're going to get 15x, x minus 4, x plus 4 squared, and 15x, x minus 4, x plus 4 squared. Okay, so from here to here, you need to multiply by 5 and x minus 4. Okay, so let's go off to the side. So you got 5x minus 20 times, I'm going to multiply this out, so you're going to be 5x minus 20. Okay, and this is actually the perfect square. So when you multiply out, if you use Fourier method, you get 25x squared minus 100x minus 100x plus 400. So it'd be 25x squared minus 200x plus 400. Okay. Okay, on this one here, you're missing the 3x and x plus 4. Okay, so you need to multiply all this together. So you have 3x, you got x plus 4 times x plus 4. Okay, I'm going to multiply this part first. So it'd be x squared plus 8x plus 16. And then distribute, I get 3x cubed plus 24x squared plus 48x. Okay. Okay. Then after that, we can put all this together and change the sign. So you got 25x squared minus 200x plus 400 minus 3x cubed minus 24x squared minus 48x. And your common denominator would be 15x, x minus 4, x plus 4 squared. Okay. Next is, let's go and combine the terms. So start with the highest degree. So it would be negative 3x cubed. And then the square term. This will give me plus x squared. And the 1 power would be minus 248x. And then the number will be plus 400. And write down your denominator. Okay, and that's it. Okay. You have 3x plus 2 over 6x squared minus 13x plus 5 minus 7x minus 1 over 3x squared minus 2x minus 5. Okay, so first let's go off to the side and do all the factoring on the bottom. So you got 6x squared minus 13x plus 5. Okay, so this one, let's go and use master product. So it would be negative 13, and this would be 30. So you're going to need to use negative 3, comma, negative 10. Okay. Now when you break down to x and 6x, it's not going to work. So you need to do 2x and 3x. Okay, again, x and 6x. None of this is going to be multiple of 6, so this is not going to work. So this would be the inside, so it would be minus 1. This would be the outside, so it would be minus 5. Right, again, this is inside, outside. Okay, so you're going to get 2x minus 1, 3x minus 5. Okay, now let's go and do the next one. So you can get your master product. So it would be negative 2. This would be negative 15. So it would be 3 comma negative 5. So you're going to get x and 3x. So this would be the inside, so it would be plus 1. And this would be the outside, so it would be minus 5. So you're going to get x plus 1, 3x minus 5. Okay, so now we can get the LCD. So your LCD would be, okay, you can go down, number, alphabet, the group. The group, you're going to get x plus 1, 2x minus 1, and 3x minus 5. Okay, so let's get the LCD ready. So that's your step 2. Step 3, figure out your missing factors. So you have these two, so you're missing x plus 1. Okay, so now you can go and multiply. So use your Fourier method. So 3x squared. So use this. So you use this times that, then use this times that. So it'll be plus 3x. Okay. Also use this one times that, then use the next one. So it'll be plus 2x plus 2. Okay, this one you're missing this one here. Okay, so you can use your Fourier method. So this times that will give you 14x squared. This times that give you minus 7x. This one times that give you minus 2x. This one times that give you plus 1. Okay, now you have to go ahead and change signs on this one. So now you can put these two together. So you got 3x squared plus 3x plus 2x plus 2 minus 14x squared. What we should do is just combine these two over here. That's going to do that. So it'll be plus 5x. This one we can come. So this would be minus 9, and negative would become plus 9x, and this would be minus 1. Okay, so combine the like terms. This will give you negative 11x squared. This one and this one will be plus 14x. And this one will give you plus 1. And that's it. Okay. Let's go to number 30. You have a complex fraction. When you have a complex fraction, you try to write every term as a fraction. So you're going to have 3 over 1 minus a over b over 2 over 1 plus a over b. Okay, now when you have a complex fraction like this, you want to multiply every term by the common denominator. So in this case, your common denominator is b. So multiply every term by b. And get your fraction ready. Okay, this one does not cancel, so it'll be 3b. This one, the b cancels, so it become minus a. Okay, this one does not cancel, so it'll be 2b. This one cancels, so it become a. And that's it. Okay, let's do number 32. Again, you want to put every term as a fraction. Okay, then get your common denominator, which is x squared, so multiply every term by x squared. And get your fraction ready. This one does not cancel, so it'll be x squared. This one will cancel out, so it'll be minus 16. This one does not cancel, so it'll be x squared. This one, the x will cancel, so it'll be minus 4x. Then after that, don't stop over here. Okay, you need to continue by doing the factoring, so you can cancel. This one you get conjugate, so it'll be x plus 4, x minus 4. This one you have to do the step 1 common factor. You can factor out the x, so it'll be x minus 4, and this will cancel out. So you're going to get x plus 4 over x. Now do not cancel out this because these are terms, so you can just cancel that.